Hello guys, let me teach you how to divide a number in base 2 without using a calculator, and you do it fast. So let's go. When you have a number like this, you need to use long division method. So your dividends is going to be written here. Write your dividends here. This is your divisor. Dividends. Divisor. So write your dividends here. Write your divisor here. So our 1 million is going to, this is, you are not going to be calling it 1 million because we are counting in base 2. So since we know that this is bigger than this, when you divide this by this, it's going to give you 0. So write 0. So you know that everything now become fraction, because it's going to go to the fraction. So let's initiate the 0 here. So add your zeros. So now, you know that when you divide this number here with this, it's going to give you 0. 0 times the whole of this is going to give you 0. So you are going to subtract. 0 minus 1 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And again, this is still less than this. So by this time, we are going to the fractional part, we are going to initiate 0 downward. So this becomes greater than this number here. When this here divide this, it's going to give you 1 because it's more than this. So have 1, because in base 2 you don't have to have anything like 2 or whatsoever or 3. It's only zeros and ones. So forget about the remainder. I know when you divide this, it's going to give you a remainder, but just write the whole part here. So when you write the whole part, then take this one and multiply by this here, the whole of this here. When you multiply, it will give you the whole of this. So you write it minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is what you have here. So since this is less, we'll push this 0 down here to see. So when we add it, this is still divided by this is 0. So it's 0. So we'll push another digit again to add to see if this, when we add it, this is still 0. So we'll add it here. We'll push the third 0 here to see if this divide this. When this is less than this here, add it up. So we push the fourth one to add it. If we check if this, yes, now this number now is bigger than this. It's bigger. So this now divide this here will give you 1. So we write it. So 1 times the whole of this, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we're going to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is less than this, so we're going to push the remaining 0 here. This becomes 1 million, and this 1 is the same thing as this. So when you divide it, it gives you 1. And this 1 times this is still the same thing. So all over. So this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So our answer is, since you arrive at 0, 0, that will give you. So now, when you divide this, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, all over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All base 2, your answer will be 0.100. 011 base 2. So that is just it. Thank you. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you.